Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can make your keyboard size bigger for easy texting. See here, normally in this keyboard, now the keyboard is enlarged or the size has been increased. So for you, the size will be smaller. I'll show you the small size also. This is the increased size. Now I'll show you the decreased size. Yeah, see here, this is the default size. So from this point to the increased keyboard size, how you can make it? First of all, this is the default Gboard only, and this is the WhatsApp when I open, or any other app, that may be Instagram, or whenever you use the keyboard. If you want to increase this, see, when you just tap on here, you'll see the settings gear icon here. This is the Gboard settings. Okay, just tap on this Gboard settings, and here you'll see something like preferences. Here click on the preferences, and here the font size. By default this will be something like match the system. What you can do is you can increase this bar here to whatever size you want. So for now in this tutorial I am making it to the maximum and setting it to OK, and now I'll pressing this back button. See, now the keyboard has been increased. Now you can see, now the typing will be easier. The typing will be absolutely easier because the whole keyboard, even the options, say for example I'll be trying to clear this, even the options and everything will be appearing bigger. See, even this emojis or gif, everything will look bigger. Okay, so if you feel this tutorial is helpful to you, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.